promise that I'll hold you when it's cold out, when we lose our winter coats in the spring. 'Cause lately I was thinking I never told you that every time I see you my heart sings. 'Cause we lived at the carnival in summer, scared ourselves to death on a ghost train. And just like every Ferris wheel stops turning, oh, I guess we had an expiration date. So I won't say I love you, it's too late. Every time I saw you I got nervous, shivering and shaking at the knees. And just like every song I haven't heard yet, no, I didn't know the words in front of me, in front of me. And oh, but I don't wanna know if I'll let you go. Now that you're on someone else's shoulders, the winter winds are colder on my own. Maybe we will meet when we get older, maybe we won't. So I won't say I love you if you don't. No, you don't. So I won't say I love you if you don't.
You make us Q.